This kid is going around me in circles, and he's really distracting me from relaxing.
So it's going crazy on a go-kart?
We gotta go.
There he is!
Call police!
Stop right there. What are you doing?
Just playing around. I'm not going to. Don't bring me to jail. Promise.
Okay, but you're getting a ticket.
Ooh, my pumpkins are ready for harvesting. Fresh pumpkins, it's the best. I can make some pumpkin pie. What's that loud music? What is that? Disrupting my pumpkins. That loud music's coming from that kid in the go-kart. Hey kid, turn it down. No, I said turn it down. You're hurting my pumpkin. Police? Yeah, this kid riding around on a go-kart, and it's too loud. I'm trying to pick my pumpkin.
What, the go-kart guy again? Let's go get him. He's speeding too.
I hope he's not bleeding. What do I do now?
First things first, turn off your music.
Huh? You like it? I'm okay.
No, turn it down. Okay, here's your second ticket. If you get another one, you're going to jail. See ya. I'm gonna go eat a donut. That kid again!
Police? Yes, this kid is now chasing me with his go-kart. Please hurry.
Now what? You're going to jail. Get out of your car. Stop right there!
Down the road.
I'm gonna have to give you a ticket. Back.
Hi, sir.
I have funny things.
Okay, here you go. Thank you, sir. That was such a good deal on all the stuff I bought at the store. It's empty. It's all empty. He sold me bad stuff. Sir, you sold me stuff that didn't have anything in it.
You have $60?
$60 again? Police? This boy sold me bad boxes.
Hey, I'm gonna have to give you a ticket because you sold empty boxes. Wait, was that Humdinger?
What? There's no trash can. Oh well.
That guy just littered. I gotta give him a ticket. Stop right there.
Hey.
Bye-bye.
Stop right there. You just littered.
No, I didn't.
Look.
That's not mine.
Yes, it was.
How do you know?
I saw you.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Now go pick up your trash. You can't litter.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna go put this in the trash can now so I don't get another ticket.
I got something, a place to go.
It's not me! They won't go! Honk your horn! Hey, you've been holding up the traffic!
So, we are giving you a ticket. You can't do that. I'm the policeman.
Yes, we can!
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Okay, let me say something. I'll say it, okay? Ooh, my favorite. Ooh, it's such a nice diamond.
Mommy, what are you doing?
I am shining my diamonds, Ryder. Check out my newest one.
Cool. I can play with them.
No, I'm sorry, buddy. You can't play with these diamonds. These are worth so much money.
Oh,
Sorry.
Mom, I really want that diamond, but Mommy won't let me have that. I'm going to make a mess then steal Mommy's diamond.
Hey, Ryder, what are you doing?
Nothing. I'm just going to play outside.
Okay, bye.
Bye. I couldn't tell Mommy soiled it. We're in big trouble now. Mommy, Sawyer made a humongous mess.
What? He made a mess?
Yeah, look.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me keep my diamond here. I cannot believe Sawyer made this mess. It's getting really cold. The door, why is the door open? Woo, the door is open. That's strange. I need to shine up my diamonds some more. Oh my gosh! My diamond and watch are missing. I bet somebody came in through the front door and took it. I need to call the police.
Before you watch this video, subscribe. Subscribe, man.
Police, yes, I have this really nice shiny diamond and somebody came and stole it. It's missing.
Okay, he's in jail. Okay, he's in jail too. Now, he's in jail, and he's in jail. I'm getting a call. This doesn't really look like a phone, but okay. Hello? What? Someone stole your diamond? Okay, I'll be right there. Got my kit. What's the problem, man?
Somebody stole my diamonds. Come on.
The police! Okay, let me get this right. You don't know who stole your diamonds, wait.
Okay, so I was shining my diamonds and then there was a mess. Sawyer made a big cereal mess. I cleaned it up, I was cold, the door was open, and my diamond's missing.
Okay, ma'am, I'm gonna dust for fingerprints, so you step back, okay? Let's take a picture. I'm gonna catch this guy. What? This doesn't have any fingerprints. He might be a professional. This guy is so good. How am I gonna catch him? I know. Let's see if she has video cameras. It's so pretty. Okay, let me check out these video cameras. Okay, rewind, rewind, rewind. I know this guy. I've been trying to get him for 50 years. It's so pretty.